Okay, what you're going to need is the Wonder Woman Tiara Tracings, a flat, hard surface, some yellow craft foam, some paintbrushes for your black and gold acrylic paint, as well as your crafting glue, a pair of scissors, an X-Acto knife or cutting tool, and a sharp-pointed pen or pencil. First, take your tiara tracings, place them backwards on the yellow craft foam, tracing it with your sharp pen or pencil, pressing down firmly to transfer the shapes from the paper to the craft foam. After that, cut them out and paint them with 3 layers of acrylic paint, making sure each layer dries before the next. Okay, as you saw throughout that, I took the centerpiece, cut the tracing out, and pressed it with my X-Acto knife. I also took some leftover pieces and made the back, which I thought was necessary. I'm going to use my glue gun to glue those ends together so it'll fit all around my head. Now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife, make little cuts throughout it to make it look like it's been through a lot of wars. Then take the black acrylic paint and a nice fluffy paintbrush and go throughout those to make them look more defined and noticeable. Then I'm going to glue all the pieces together using my craft glue. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. As you saw during the gluing process on the sides, I used my X-Acto knife to flatten out the glue. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you want to see any more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please leave those in the comment section below. For information and more, please follow me on Twitter, G+, and Instagram at MissStarTv. Bye!